Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.netflix.com and hit enter. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, on the middle of your screen you'll see this Get Started button. Now firstly fill in your email address here and then click on this Get Started button. After you click on the Get Started button, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page click on Next. Now once you click on Next, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page you'll have to create a password. After you create a password of your desire, click on the Next button again. Once you click on the Next button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to choose your plan. Now for you to choose your plan, firstly click on this button. After you click on the Next button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to choose from all these plans. Now take your time and choose the plan which will be most suitable for you and then click on this Next button. After you click on the Next button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to choose between credit card or PayPal. For this video, I'm going to click on the credit card or debit card option. After you click on one of those options, you'll have to fill in your credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials, click on this I agree button and then click on the Start Membership option. After you click on the Start Membership option, an account for you on Netflix will automatically be created. I hope this video helps you to create an account on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.